Today I want to show you how I make these ham and cheese sliders with these Hawaiian rolls I've got leftover from dinner and turn them into a delicious and fresh lunch. Hey, I'm Laura, and on this channel I share lots of school lunch ideas and the meals my family loves. If that's your jam, hit that red subscribe button so you and I can cook together a few times a week. I've got these two bread rolls from dinner. These are Hawaiian rolls. You can use any sliders that you may have on hand, and I'm going to simply slice them in half gently. I want to be able to spread my condiments on them. On my bottom half, I'm going to spread a little bit of mayo on each. I like using mayo on my sandwiches because it keeps the bread nice and moist. You can spread mayo on the top or a little bit of mustard if you like mustard. My cheese is larger than my slider, so I'm just gonna take a knife and slice it into quarters like this. And then I take each of my quarters and put them on my sandwich. It could be at the top or the bottom, whatever you like. And then some ham as well. Now I'm just keeping these real simple by making them with ham and cheese only, but if you wanted to add a slice of tomato or lettuce, you would place the tomato slice between the ham and the cheese because they build a barrier between the juicy tomato and the bread roll. By the way, if you found that tip helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up so I know to always add them for you. I'm also gonna show you how I pack these sliders inside a lunch container and keep everything fresh until lunch. But first, let's close these awesome little sliders and putting them inside of our lunch container. I'm also gonna send some fruit on the side. For this lunch specifically, I'm adding some blueberries and sliced strawberries right here. And then all you have to do is put the lid on. Now, if you wanna bulk up this lunch, you can also send some fresh veggies on the side, plus a dip in one of these small lidded containers. This together makes a bulkier, fuller, bigger meal, especially if you have teens, which by the way, below this video, I'll make sure to leave some teen lunch ideas if that's what you're looking for. Now I'm gonna just place these containers in the refrigerator until I need to pack them inside of a lunch bag with or without an ice pack. That's totally up to you depending on where you live, and zip it up, and this lunch is ready to go. Wasn't that easy? Make sure to check the links below this video. See you next time.